Welcome to the Company Value Investor channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to use the Elder Ray indicator. The Elder Ray indicator looks at the stock market and shows the position of that stock. The Elder Ray has two sections, the bull power and bear power. If the bull power is greater than the bear power, this tells me that investors are buying the stock. The opposite is true if bear power is greater than bull power. Investors are selling. I only buy when bear power is greater than bull power. Investors are selling the stock. Demand is low and price is falling. I only sell when bull power is greater than bear power. Investors are buying the stock. Demand is high and the price is increasing. Buy low when demand is low, the stock is oversold. Sell high when demand is high, the stock is overbought. This simple strategy helps me to buy a good stock at a bargain price and sell it when I make a reasonable profit. As you can see, using this indicator as an investment tool is easy, fast, and reliable. Try it yourself. Just go to companyvalueinvestor.com. Thank you for your time. Please consider subscribing and tap the bell for notifications. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up.